How to identify plants using Google Lens application. Are you guys facing issues to identify plants using Google Lens app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Google Lens app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now you can see this option or icon for Google Lens right beside the mic icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, now place your camera to the plants and click on search. After you click on search, Google Lens will provide the information or details regarding that certain plant. So as you guys can see the name of the plant, that's it guys. That's how we're going to identify plants using Google Lens app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding Google Lens, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.